So let's continue. We want to write the chemical formulae for the salts below: potassium sulfate, sodium sulfate, calcium sulfate, magnesium sulfate, copper sulfate, sodium chloride, sodium nitrate, sodium carbonate, and ammonium chloride. So potassium sulfate is K2SO4. Okay, remember, see the K2. Similarly, sodium sulfate is Na2SO4. Calcium sulfate is equal to CaSO4. Magnesium sulfate is equal to MgSO4. Copper sulfate is CuSO4, okay, and sodium chloride is NaCl, sodium nitrate is NaNO3, Na plus and NO3 minus, okay. Sodium carbonate is Na2CO3, and ammonium chloride is NH4Cl, okay. What is bleaching powder and what is its use? See the compound CaOCl2, that is calcium oxychloride, is bleaching powder used for bleaching cotton and linen in textile industry. It is used as an oxidizing agent and making drinking water free from germs. Okay, so bleaching powder, the chemical formula is CaO, Ca for calcium, O for oxygen, Cl2 for chlorine. Okay, calcium oxychloride. What is baking soda? Baking soda is another chemical compound which is NaHCO3. This is sodium hydroxycarbonate. Okay, so it is Na sodium H for hydrogen CO3 carbonate. So sodium hydrocarbonate is the baking soda. This is used in kitchen for making tasty crispy pakoras and also can be used while baking the bread or cake to make them rise and make them soft and spongy. What is washing soda? Okay, the compound Na2CO3, sodium carbonate Na2CO3 attached with 10 water molecules is called washing soda. Okay, this is used in glass, soap, and paper industries. So remember, bleaching powder is CaOCl2. Okay, baking soda is NaHCO3, and washing soda is Na2CO3. Okay, what happens when CuSO4 crystals are heated? When we heat CuSO4 5H2O crystals, see, when it forms crystals, each atom of copper sulfate, that is CuSO4, will have 5 water molecules. Sorry, each molecule of copper sulfate, CuSO4, will have 5 molecules of water attached to it to form crystal. Okay, when you heat it, this attachment gets broken and the water becomes steam, leaving only CuSO4 salt, copper sulfate salt, which becomes white powder. Okay, what is common name of CaOCl2? We know this, it's bleaching powder. Okay, name the substance which on treatment with chlorine yields bleaching powder. So they are asking, how do you create bleaching powder? We take calcium hydroxide, that is CaOH2, and react it with chlorine, and it reacts with chlorine to give us CaOCl2, that is bleaching powder, calcium oxychloride, and water. Name the sodium compound which is used for softening hard water. The washing soda, which is Na2CO3 sodium carbonate with 10 molecules of crystallizing water for crystallization, which is called washing soda, is the compound which is used for softening the hard water, sodium carbonate. What will happen if sodium hydrocarbonate is heated? See, when you heat sodium hydrocarbonate, that is the baking soda, it has the effect of making your bread and cake softer and spongier. Okay, that is why it is used as in baking. When you heat it, it gives you sodium carbonate, Na2CO3, plus water in form of steam, plus carbon dioxide. So this gases will make your cake or bread, to rise and make them soft and spongy. Give chemical equation of reaction of plaster of Paris with water. See, plaster of Paris is CaSO4 dot half H2O. Okay, why we are saying half H2O? We are saying half H2O because 2 molecules of CaSO4, which is calcium sulfate. Okay, CaSO4 is calcium sulfate. 2 molecules of calcium sulfate share 1 molecule of water. Okay, so in the crystal structure of plaster of Paris, 2 calcium sulfate molecules share one molecule of water. Therefore, we are saying one molecule gets half a water molecule. When you make it react with more water molecules, what will happen is these water molecules will, more water molecules will get attached to the calcium sulfate molecule and it will become gypsum. Okay. In gypsum, each calcium sulfate molecule will have two water molecules. No more sharing. Each calcium sulfate molecules will have two more water molecules. So that is the reaction of plaster of Paris with water.